Yo, what up? I'm LubestheDude. Welcome back to another video, and today I'm gonna paint in the valve cover on my engine. But first, I gotta pull my car into the garage because, well, it isn't here. Skirt. Boom. You know, I really hope that looked good because I'm gonna look like an idiot. So I want to paint my valve cover, and obviously it's not painted right now. I have Cummins Red spray paint. This is rated for the heat of an engine because, well, it's engine paint. But if you notice, I have brake caliper paint right there. So that's already red. I'm about to make that red. So it's gonna look like a lot. So let's become posers, paint that red, and make my engine bay look like McDonald's. Oh shoot, I just tripped. Alright, now with all that gone, I should be able to just take it off, so it's not coming. Okay, 1 second. Anyway, gosh darn it! Okay, so after all that, I think it's ready to come off, so like, I've seen the inside of a car before. I know what overhead cams look like together, but this looks really cool. Maybe it's just because it's my car, but still. Dang! So I'm gonna clean this before I paint it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna plug all the spark plug holes and the oil cap hole with aluminum foil, and then put masking tape over the top of them. And I'm just gonna go over with a washcloth and then some brake clean and try and get all the greases off and everything. So yeah, let's do that. Okay, so it's been about an hour of masking, and I think I'm done, so I'm just gonna start painting. I don't know how good it's gonna look, but we're gonna try, and hopefully it doesn't turn out too bad. Oh, I'm not ready yet. So, it looks like absolute garbage. I mean, you can see right here, can start to spray like really heavy, and it's just started bubbling. And same thing over here, all over it, there's a lot of overspray from the can, and maybe that's on me, but it looks like crap. And yeah, I'm gonna have to redo this eventually. So So this is editing Louis. I've been watching the footage back. I was pretty frustrated in the moment. It was like 110 degrees in my garage and I was sweating all over the place and stuff. But it totally was my fault. I didn't take my time cleaning the surface. There's still some grease left over. And you can see in the footage, I was spraying really close to the valve cover on the front side, which is where a lot of the bubbling was that I pointed out. So that's all on me. I don't want to put a bad name on Cummins Paint. They do an incredible job with their stuff. And yeah, so I just wanted to clear that up. I also didn't record an outro in the heat of the moment, so this is it. If you liked the video, go ahead and leave a like, subscribe. Tell me what color you think I should do next when I repaint it. I think I'm gonna stick with the red and do the rest black, but who knows? Tell me what you think down below, and yeah, see you next time. Peace. Boom, 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 boom. Whoa.